Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your GIGABYTE G7 faster. And there are gonna be quite a few steps, and all of them are things that you should do just sometimes. You should do that repeatedly, like each 2 months. Also, there will be something that you just always have to have in mind in order to make your laptop running faster, but I'm gonna explain everything. So let's begin by something that you should do each 2 months, I believe, which is going to settings, Windows update, and checking for updates. Updating your system ensures it runs smoothly, securely, and also that it has the newest features. But of course, running smoothly is the most important in this video. So let's wait until the updates are checked. You can see that I'm up to date, but if you're not, click on download and install all and wait until all the updates get installed. Once they are, they may prompt you to restart your laptop, and once you restart it, your laptop will be updated and will run smoother, most probably. Now let's get to the next thing, which is right-clicking on the taskbar and going to Task Manager. And here we'll see some important things in the Startup Apps. So this is the Startup Apps section. I'm gonna put that on full screen. And I don't have a lot of apps. I actually didn't install anything on this laptop yet, but if you have more apps on your laptop, then some of them will be listed here. And if their status here is set to enabled, that means that that app is automatically turned on once your laptop turns on. And of course, for some apps, you'd like that to stay enabled, like Security Health History. I wouldn't disable that since I want my laptop to run securely. But if there's something like this code or, I don't know, Microsoft 365 Copilot, I don't need it to run each time, so I can right click on it and click on disable. Then, like as I said, Discord, Steam, Spotify, these are the top 3 apps that always add themselves to the Startup Apps list. And if you need them every time you turn on your laptop, then you can leave it. But you need to know that if you don't use it every time, then first of all, it'll increase your startup time on the laptop. The more apps you have that are in the startup section, the more the more time it'll take for your laptop to start. Then another thing worth mentioning here is if the app enables itself, then it runs in the background all the time. And if something runs in the background all the time, it uses resources. And as we're speaking of resource usage, I'm actually gonna show you that on an example. And after that, I'm gonna explain a few things. And the resource usage will be actually a step that you should have in mind all the time, especially if you're playing some games and stuff. So if I open a browser and open quite a few tabs, but even if I had one opened, then it always uses some resources in the background. I'm just gonna open a few more so we can see that better. But if I don't need that browser to be turned on while I'm playing a certain game, for example, then if I'm just not using it, it unnecessarily uses resources. If I go to the Task Manager, if I open the Performance tab and go, for example, to memory, but also the CPU and other things will be used. But if I close now that browser, you can see how immediately that memory usage drops. So if you have something running in background that you don't need at that time, you can close it so the CPU nor memory nor other stuff aren't drained with some unnecessary processes. And this is something that you should have in mind all the time. So if you have lots of apps opened at the same time, I would highly recommend disabling some of them if you don't need them to be running right now. And Also in the settings, there will be the last step, which is also pretty simple, and you should check that from time to time because it may change itself automatically. But if you go to System, then go to Power and Battery and Power Mode, you'll notice plugged in and on battery. You can set that separately, and what I recommend doing is setting plugged into best performance and on battery to balanced, because the best performance will make your laptop run faster, but will also use more power. So on battery, I leave it on balanced, so the performance is great, but also the power usage isn't too big. And for when plugged in, I have the best performance. And if I want to play games, I'll plug my laptop in. But even if you have plugged in and when on battery set to best performance, it'll still run better if you have a charger plugged in. It'll just have more power to run from. So I think these are all the things that I wanted to mention in this video. I hope it actually makes your laptop faster. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.